This is Dan here. I just received my Superhuman Tools weekly planner. I'm pretty excited. Just got this into the unboxing. Just open that up. Don't need that. First look here. It's kind of got that MacBook type box here. Kind of opens up like a MacBook. Pretty dang nice. Let's see what we got. 30% off. That's great. That's awesome. Got two of these. Oh, this is super cool. So it looks like they have a community here that you could be a part of. So, first glance, this thing is pretty sleek. Oh, it's on the box. There we go. Pretty sleek. I like it. Like, feels like it's like a nice leather type material. Nice logo. Take this off. This is also pretty nice. Monthly section. Months. Looks like we got some cool quotes in here. Let's see what else. Ooh, there's these nice little dividers here in case you want to save a couple of spots. There we go. There we go. That's pretty awesome. What else? Oh, so there's like a creative space in the back. That's awesome. I'm gonna use this to draw. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, this is the Superhuman Tools Planner. This is pretty great. Just received mine today, and I am excited to start using it. This thing looks really nice. All right, I'm out.
Per ore ed ore. Non capita tutti i giorni di essere colpiti a una gamba da un'arma a denti seghettati. Le cellule velenose distaccate continuano.
Bye.